Hi to my all innocent non-readers. So hope you all are reading well, and soon you will suggest me some other books to read. See, this many books I have read. Okay, now you will be again asking me the same question. How can you read so many books? Like you don't get bored of reading such books? Like so many books, so many pages, right? You're counting the pages. If you will count the pages, then you can never be a reader. You have to go for the content. Okay, you have to go for the content. What is written inside it? Okay, you have to get interest in that. Now how can you get the interest? अगर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है एक बुक तो उसको डिस्कार्ड करो. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा ये वाला बुक. ओके, मैंने डिस्कार्ड किया है इसको. हाँ, लिटरली मैंने इसको डिस्कार्ड किया है. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. मेरे like I have got this from friend of mine and I not like it. I have read only 10 to 20 pages, not like it. I discarded it. So simple rule is that follow it. If you are a non-reader, if you don't like the book, discard it, go for the next. Like go for the next. If you don't like that book also, discard it, go for the another book. Like there's no hard and fast rule. You have to read all the books which you are getting suggestion like to read. If I am also suggesting you some book, I have suggested you this Kite Runner and you not find it good, then discard it. But I don't feel like you'll not find this good. It is a good book, you can read it. Very famous book. Go for the Indian writers, simple language. Don't go for Dostoevsky or don't go for like Russian literature. भाई इतना आसान है रशियन लिटरेचर, ठीक है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज है, ठीक है. तो कोई भी सजेशन आपको दे दे, रशियन लिटरेचर पढ़ो, डॉस्टोवेस्की को पढ़ो, सेल्विया प्लेथ को पढ़ो, वर्जीनिया वुल्फ को पढ़ो, सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स पढ़ो. Don't go for, that's why I say don't go for the non-fiction. If you are non-reader, go for the fiction. हाँ, इसका मतलब फिर से ये मत बोलना कि I always read fiction and I always read romance genre, dark romance. Again, don't go for the dark romance, don't go for the series, don't go for the mindfuck series, don't go for the twisted series. Go for the simple easy peasy books. Like you can go for the daydreamers, you can go for like again easy books are there, okay, like the icebreaker. It also contains spice. Yeah, it contains a good level of spice. You can go good to be true by Prajakta Kohli. She's also a Indian writer. She's written nicely only. Go for the Chetan Bhagat book. He has also written nicely. Again, don't like his writing, but you can go for such books. You can go for the Ravinder Singh ones. Okay, read the easy pace one. Don't go for that deep, dark and that intense one, dark romance. Don't go for that because again it can be a difficult pace to read at first if you are non-reader. Go for the easy ones and then you can go slowly into twisted series and mindfuck series. Okay, so in this way you can just inculcate the habit of reading. So till that time, suggest me the books which I should read next, and I will also give you the review on this book which I have recently purchased. Like this book, this is also a good book. Like this books you can go for reading. Like if you don't like it, then you can just go for the next. This is my simple rule. I follow this rule. I used to follow it. Today I'm reading so many books, so you can also follow that. So till that time, go on reading, and reading must not stop. Okay, till that time, bye. Hi to my all innocent non-readers. So hope you